Let's go bowling, boys. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Blue Room. I know what you're thinking. Addict, it's not Tuesday. What are you doing on my screen? Well, I decided to do 2 early shaves because Friday is going to be super busy day for me here. We got Christmas party for the company that I work for, and I'm not going to be able to do the shave Friday, so I wanted to have enough time in between, so I figured, what the hell, let's do an early video Monday, and then let's do one Thursday. So that's why we're here. But it's good to see y'all again. And I figured I would do something that I have yet to do on here. I don't do it very often, but figured I'd show some guys how to do it. Maybe they're interested in doing it themselves. That's going to be using the bowl to create a lather to shave. We're going to bowl lather. Now, admittedly, I'm not the best at this, so it may work, it may fail. We're going to do it together. We're going to see. So that's what we're going to do. The razor, since I had such a good shave last Friday, I figured I'd just use the same razor. Old Fat Boy. I'm going to be on setting 3. If it'll focus. Yep, there you go. Fat Boy. 59 Fat Boy. And the blade. Why change it? Personna Med Prep. I'm going to put my second use dot there. I promise I will. There's the first use dot. I'm going to put the second one there. And the soap we're going to be using for this shave, Proraso Red, Sandlewood. That's about that much left in that container. This is another one of those soaps I've had a long time. I like the red. I like the green. Yeah, you know, the white's okay. But this sandalwood, it's really good. It's not as good as the Art of Shaving sandalwood that I told y'all about. I didn't know I had it at first when I got my starter kit like 5 years ago. You know, my wife got me. That sandalwood smelled awesome. This one smells good too. The brush that we are going to be using. And I told y'all that I was going to find me a soaker, a good brush soaker for my brush. Well, hang on a second. Let me show you this. This is what I found. And I was going to use it. Saw it at the store, man. I was excited. I was like, hell yeah, you know, this is going to be my thing, man, because I'm from Southwest Alabama, you know. We use these things a lot, quite a bit down here. So it was the mason jar is what I was going to use, a mason jar. They don't fit in the mason jar, man. They don't fit in the mason jar, man. I can get this smog in here. I don't like what it does to the, see how it's pushing? I'm not struggling for this, man. No. If this is like this, you know the brush that I'm gonna use sure isn't gonna fit in there. So I had this as my soaker because Ken Surfs, if y'all don't know who he is a YouTube wet shaver. Lots of info, good stuff. Highly recommend checking him out. You know, I don't mind plugging anybody. You know, hey, it is what it is. He's a good dude. Check out his videos, man. But he has a crystal skull, and my wife got me this because I said I wanted it. Great soaker, man, great. It's cool, you know, it's kind of, you know, macabre. You know, I like that kind of stuff. So, but I'm not going to steal his thunder. That wouldn't be cool. So, I found this in the stash that I had that I forgot I had. This is the mug that came with that starter kit that Mrs. LA got me. And this had the Sandlewood Art of Shaving hard soap inside here. And this is what I used to use to mix up my lather with. And you can just imagine clink, 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 clink. I was like, what the hell's going on? Clink, 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 clink. Hated it. But for a soaker, a brush soaker, dude, it's perfect. You know, it's ceramic, I believe, you know, because it's glazed. It's heavy as hell. You could probably, you know, knock someone out. You break a toe if you drop it on your foot. So there you go. And I like coffee, so that's my soaker for now. Something else may come along and maybe like that's what I'm going to use, but here you go. So it's been soaking. And now, some people load and then to here, some people scoop, put it in there. Because I'm not face lathering, I'm a scoop. And my scooper is a, check this out, is a guitar pick from Five Finger Death Punch when I saw them at the Soul Kitchen. It's a local venue here in Mobile. I don't know if you can see that or not. Focus. But that's my scooper. You know, my son got to go up on stage with him, which was super cool. I think he was like 11 at the time. So now, it doesn't take a whole lot of soap, man. That's it right there. You see that? That's it. That's all we're using. That's it. Down in here. Does not take a lot. Because you're thinking that, you know, I need to put a ton of soap in here. You don't. You do not. Right there. Now I'm going to take my finger and just kind of push it down. Because if not, you know, it's going to be sliding around in here. Save yourself some headache and some time. Just push it down. Just push it in there. Some gentle pushes. Okay. Now, the water. For those guys who have never bowl lathered, water. Pay attention to your water, man. All right. Oh, I didn't show you all this. Duh. We're using the Yaqi 26 mil. All right. Now, I'm going to squeeze the brush out. Hear that or not. Shake it. That's what the brush looks like. Right there. Now, it's been soaking. It's kind of damp, but it's not dripping wet. I mean, that's what you want. You want to dictate how much water is put in here. Because if not, if you start out really wet, it's going to be frothy. Because soap, after all, is bubbles. And to get it cushiony, you need to transform those big bubbles into microscopic little bitty bubbles. That's what creates your lather. So here we go. And just be patient, man. You'll know. You'll start hearing. Hear that? You know, hear that? You hear that paste? Now that's what it looks like. Right there. Now, the good thing about this is, I'm just gonna remember what I told you, just the tips. Just the tips. That's it. Back to the bowl. And the idea, you have to get air mixed in. because that's what creates bubbles, air. So if you can do a, you know, pulsating, that's good. You don't have to always do the twirls, you know, just pulsate. All right, I'm gonna add some more water. You hear that dinging? There's a hair. Lost one. All right, another little dip in the water here in my cup that I got right here. That's the one downside I don't like about me bowl lathering is that ding ding. But I think it needs just one more dip, and then we'll be good. What y'all think? One more dip. Because you want your shaving cream, your lather, shaving cream, lather, shaving soap. You want your suds to be like yogurty, runny yogurt. I don't know, that consistency, you know, that feel, runny yogurt feel. But it's got to have peaks, like Cool Whip, but soft peaks. You don't want stiff peaks, man. Not enough water in there. Remember, water is our friend. So, there you go. Just a little bit of soap, man. One little scoop. All right. That's like just the tip of that pick. Was it. So, I'm gonna wet the face. I'm gonna lather up. Give me 1 second. I got my hair combed. I got out of the shower. I'm trying to grow it out. I don't know. I kind of miss it. Here we go. While I'm spreading this on, I want to tell you guys, listen, I'm no expert, so I don't want you taking what I say as gospel. Experiment, man. That's what this channel's about, dude. Hopefully you take what I show you and you go, you know what, man? I'm going to apply this. I'm going to see what it does for me. It's just like, you know, how I shave, man. I don't shave normally as, you know, the term as in, you know, with the grain only first and then across and then against. I don't do that because it doesn't work for my skin, man. So, I mean, look at that. Look at that sheen on there, man. That sheen. So, you know, I don't want y'all to do that. But at the same time, if that's what y'all want to do, man, then do it. Look at this, man. It is just all over, man. I love it. It goes back to that. Man, my brushes are never pretty. Oh, well. But, you know, dude. If it works for you, man, then do it. And please. You know? We're learning, man. I want to help y'all have some great shaves. That's it. Help me have some great shaves, man. Do it together. Just don't think because it doesn't look like what you see that it's not right. Don't think that way, man. All right. Here we go. I'm going to load it up. I figured, what the heck? Let's just use this same, you know, like I talked about, you know, I hardly ever change out my blades until it's ready to be changed, so. But we're locked and loaded on setting 3. First pass. Second use. I will say though, man, the reason that I like face lathering is because I feel like it gets my skin more ready to shave, you know, just because, like I said, shaving is like, you know, it's ritualistic. If you do the same thing, you know, at least that's how I feel. Man, you know, if I forget one thing, I'm like, oh crap, I forgot to do that. Well, I'm gonna have a bad shave. It's just, I don't know, man. I know it's not right. You know, it's just shaving, but that's how I feel. That's the first pass done. That's quick. Let's rinse. Man, let me tell you, it was cold here today. Phew, that wind was blowing. I think the wind was like 35 miles an hour. The temperature, I think, was 50. So that's pretty cold for us down here, man. Oh, is anybody a sports fan? You know, anybody watch sports? I'm a huge football fan. You know, particularly a huge college football fan. And this weekend is the SEC championship game. So me and my son are excited for that. Of course, you know, we root for Alabama. Roll Tide. We're going to be playing Florida. Should be a good game. Shoot, I'm just glad we had sports, man. Because I didn't think we was. So that's a blessing. Yeah. But yeah, we got the Christmas party Friday. So I'm not going to be able to do a shave on that day. We too busy. We got to go to work, get off work, come straight home, shower, get myself ready. Wife has to get ready, so our kids, and go to a Christmas party for my company. So, all right, south to north. This is that width across against on my cheeks. So I think we are just about ready for Christmas. I think so. Tell you what, man. $2021 cannot get here soon enough. I think everybody feels that way. But I'm ready for the year to be over with and new things happening next year. I know I got some pretty big plans for next year. You know, one of the first big plans was starting this channel. I just couldn't wait to do it, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do it now. So I did. And next thing on my list is to start my own company. So first of the year, everything is going to be R&D, and hopefully by the spring, middle of the year, spring, summertime, I will be able to reveal exactly what it is that we've been working on here in the addict's house. Big things, man. All right, I'm gonna rinse. Second pass done. Man. Yeah. I love it. got to pick up, my brothers, is right here. That hog jaw. You know, maybe one of these videos I'll get into facial expressions and how you can twerk your face and get those trouble spots, man. One's called the bullfrog. There you go. It works great. Alright, I'm just gonna grab some more soap. Look at that sheen, man. My lighting sucks. Let me step away. Look at that sheen. I got a light right here. That's it. But I'm gonna get me one to go right here above the mirror. I'm thinking. But, you know, let me just tell y'all brothers something, man. And sisters, I don't know. I may have you know, some women subscribers. If I do, hello. How you doing? So, should not take anything for granted, man. If this year has taught us anything, it's if you have a goal in mind, do it. Don't hesitate. And don't waver from your convictions. And don't ever let someone say to you, no, you can't do it. Because, man, I have been working at the same job for the past 18 years. 18 years. And last year, I thought to myself, man, am I living or am I just existing? Start living, man. Start living, brother. You can do it. All right, final pass. Still on setting 3. Yeah, I'm looking forward to Saturday, man. I think it's going to be a good game. So, oh, and I believe that I finally have one of my buddies, you know, converted. Because he's been using an electric razor because he works at a hospital. He said, man, when I watch your videos, dude, it makes me want to shave. So, hey, let me just say, shout out to Pink. Come on, man, you can do it, brother. I believe in you. Oh, man. I've known that dude since we were 10 years old, man. You know, 30 years. 30 years, man. I've seen a lot of people reviewing the fat guy. You know, I don't know, man. It's the classics, man. It's like, you know, McDowell's and McDonald's from that movie Coming to America with Eddie Murphy. It's all right. I'm gonna rinse because I think right here I need to do that. I'll show you that again, man. Remember when I caught it? Do you remember, class? Blade buffering. Get some lather right here. Remember, do not lift the razor from your skin. Just go back and forth. You know, like you're scratching a record. Just let it glide. No pressure now. Because I gotta do this to get that spot. See how there's still thing? Just let it glide. No pressure. So this is that good, you know, suck in your chin. It's called the bullfrog. Just let it glide. But no pressure, man. None. You ever notice everybody makes them shaving faces? Alright. Just out of curiosity. Alright. It's all going out the bowl. It's pretty much done. See how much is in the brush. Just out of curiosity from that little bit of soap. Brush is empty. There you go. Look at all that good stuff. Look at all that good stuff. Alright. I'm gonna drain. And I'm gonna rinse my face with some hot and then cold. So give me a sec. Oh yeah, man. Woo! Let me dry. Messing up my nice pretty hair. Alright. Oh yeah. Whew. Good shave. Good shave. Oh man. Good shave. Aftershave. I did not show y'all this in the preview, but I found me another decanter. This one looks pretty cool, man. It's not like my other ones. You know, this is pretty cool, huh? And guys, hey, if you have aftershaves in plastic, put them in glass. Man, this is like $2 at like Hobby Lobby, man. Sunlight penetrates this plastic. It'll kill the fragrance. This will not. And if you can find one that's like, you know, green, amber, a dark color is even better. But this is AquaVelva Musk. Good stuff. Shake it up, man. Get that stuff stirred up in there. Oh yeah. No reducer again, so we're living on the edge. But hey, what fun is it if you don't? Oh yeah. Whew. Sizzle, sizzle in the pan. I love it though. Who doesn't like a good burn? Love it. And to top it off, I was going to use the, you know, the Nivea in the tin can, but I'm almost out of this, so I'm trying to use it up. This is sensitive balm. Nivea is good stuff, man. Uh-oh. I spoke too soon. Oh, that's it, I just killed it. Nivea is good stuff, man. It's good stuff you can get at the store. You know, you ain't got to order it or nothing, man. You buy it at the store. Non-artisan, good, works. Use it, brother. Okay, let's do the rundown. 130. I was doing good. Fat boy. 59. With the Personna Med Prep. Second use this time. I gotta do my dot. We went Proraso Red, Sandlewood in the bowl. We bowl lathered with the Yaqi 26 millimeter super high density 2-band Badger. I got soap on my hands. We went to finish it off, AquaVelva Musk in the glass decanter. I highly recommend this. If there's one thing you take, do that. It's good. And we finished it with the last of the Nivea Men Balm, because what? Your skin matters. Well guys, I appreciate you watching. Like I said, if there's something you want to do it. Don't let nobody stand in your way, brothers. I believe in you. You have loved ones who believe in you, man. And if they don't, you ain't got time for negativity, man. You gotta be yourself. So be happy. Be kind to each other. I hope you have some amazing shaves. I will see you Thursday for the Friday shave. So I was here before I left, if that makes sense. So have a great day. I'll see you Thursday. Have some great shaves. And remember, not every day begins with a shave, but maybe a shave can brighten your day. Y'all take care.